Hi, first grade. Today we're going to get creative. We're going to make our own Frisbee. I'm going to take 3 pieces of regular paper, and you'll need some Scotch tape also. I am going to fold my paper and just roll it over and fold. Roll and fold, roll and fold, roll and fold. Do it for all 3 pieces of paper, and then tape them together, and you will get a Frisbee like this. Decorate it, color it, do something fun, seesaw me back and show me how you decorated it. But we're going to practice our Frisbee throwing today. We're going to do something super fun. I used a towel and 3 canned goods. So I'm just going to stand behind my towel and I'm going to toss my Frisbee onto the canned good. When I come back, I'm going to use my towel to jump side to side 3 times or back and forth 3 times. After I make 1 canned good with my Frisbee, after I get it over, I'm going to stack my canned goods. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like. I'm going to toss. Toss. Got it. Okay, so now I'm going to do 3 side to side. I'm going to pick up my canned good, put it on the next one. Stand behind my line, toss, toss. Let's see how fast we can do this. Got it. Now I'm going to do 6 times this time. Then I'm going to pick up my canned good. Now I'm going farther, but I have 3 canned goods stacked. I'm going to try it. If I make it, I'm going to go 9 times, 9 jumps. If you're lucky, your dog can help you out too. So close. Oh, so close. So you get the point. When it goes over, I'm going to do 9 jumps. This time I'm going to go back and forth. 9 jumps. Jump every time. Show me your Frisbee.